Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. Pickles are a common item on the Finnish Christmas board because of course traditionally pickling was the way to preserve fruits and vegetables from the summer into the winter months. And of course Christmas is in the middle of winter and there was no fresh vegetables available at all. So here I have a few different types of pickles. I have here some pickled celeriac that I made myself. I have some pickled onions over here in the center. Funnily enough, when I was young, I hated onions, but I could eat pickled onions straight out of the jar. I have here some bread and butter pickles. Then some beets. These are not pickled, but a lot of times they are pickled in the Finnish Christmas board. And then one of the more interesting items that I have here is the pickled pumpkin. I ordered this from Finland because I could not find a pickled pumpkin product in the US. But these ones specifically have, I think, very Christmassy flavor to them. They have a little bit of cinnamon in the brine. But when you taste them, for me at least, they definitely have a Christmassy flavor. First, we'll make the pickling liquid. I have here 1 deciliter of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to turn on the heat. I have 2 deciliters of plain sugar and 4 deciliters of water. We don't really need to cook this too much. We're just heating it up so much that the sugar dissolves in the water. Okay, I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to let this sit here while I prep my celery root. Celery root, it has these intricate little nooks and crannies in it. A lot of times there can be a lot of dirt inside. So don't even think about trying to peel it, but just take your knife and cut a wedge off it. Something like that. And then using your knife, just cut away the top layer. Like that. Now that our celeriac has been prepped, we're just going to cut it into small cubes. And now we're just going to pour our pickling liquid on top of the celeriac. There we go. Put the lid on. This can now stay in the fridge for a couple days, up to a couple weeks. So here we go. Finnish pickle board for Christmas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.